So love takes many, many expressions. It takes the form of caringness. See, we look at love as some maybe advanced state and, oh, we're not there yet. No, that's not so. Love is constant in our life. See, because nobody is completely at one level or another, see? Let's say, well, this guy's at 125, so he can't know what this is like. No, certain aspects of him do, and those aspects show up in certain aspects of life. So we begin to nurture those aspects and appreciate those aspects of life in which love is taking a form not usually labeled as love. You see, in our world, love, denotes romance, denotes here and there, denotes a me loving you and a you loving me. And that kind of love can be lost. It can be won or gained or lost or taken away from you. And so that's a different kind of love than spiritual love, which is the awareness of a reality that is within you at all times. So in reality, love is a way of being in the world. Love is actually a style, a way of being. It's a way of holding yourself and life and every aspect of life within an overall context. And that overall context gives it a different meaning, significance, a different appearance. It is just as important to polish the chromium as it is to save the life of somebody dying by the side of the street. You understand? It's just that capacity takes this form. Here, it turns over the beetle that's on its back. Here, it saves somebody who's bleeding by the side of the street and calls 911. And here, it helps you in the door so you can get through. You see what I'm saying? So it's that capacity, that willingness to be that to the world.